Hey, this is Dad Random. How you doing? I have got a yellow package in the mail, and you know what that means. Anytime a yellow package shows up to your doorstep, it means new quad. So what new quad, I may ask, or you may ask? You can see on the screen there, it looks like a 4-inch long range, and you guessed it, that's what it is. But this is the version 2 of the Flywoo long range 4-inch quad. So I've been really excited for this, and I'm so surprised at how small the box is. This is the same size box that the rocket I got in. So it's been a while. There hasn't been any new quads come out, but we've got a lot of these small FPV quads out. So if you're not into FPV, it's a good time to get into FPV. Let's go ahead and open it. All right, I'm excited. So we haven't even broken the seal yet, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And I'll go ahead and break the seal. All right, first time, new seal. All right, but so this this little long range quad has the NIN 1404 V2 motors, the Goku F745 16x16 stack version 1.0. And it took me 20 freaking days to get this sucker, but it was worth its weight. On January 1st, on New Year's Day, I ordered it, and I beat the Chinese New Year. So I'm excited. So let's look in the box. All right. So we've got the seal right there. Let's crack that seal open, and let's check it out. I'm really excited to fly this one. I've been really excited. I'm actually I've almost ordered the 5-inch already. So, but you know, I've got to check the 4-inch out before I go 5-inch long range. But my friend Kai, Lone Star UAV, he actually built himself a 5-inch, and it is pretty sweet. I watched the flight footage he had from it. Now, remember, this is not the air unit version, so I'm going to have to get used to it. It's going to be a different experience. So here we go. Let's check it out. Open it in the box. Flywoo, giving me some excitement. And, of course, they're exciting me because they give you some extra parts right there. There's some extra legs. Gosh, these are so small. I just did not expect that. There's my download manual tips. I'm gonna have to go and get into the flight controller, and I'm gonna have to. Now I have a Goku for my Mr. Croc, so this one will set up, I'm sure, very similar. There's all my settings right there. So if you're looking for, you know, what your settings need to be, I'm going to go ahead and follow this list and make sure that everything's set the same way. A couple of things I might change, like when I set up my GPS. So in beta flight, very cool. So there's that. Let's see if they gave me a few more things. We got some extra props. I actually did buy some other props for this. I bought some. These are the 2-bladed clear gray. I bought some blue ones. So oh wow, they give me some, oh, there we go. They did give you some blue ones. That's pretty cool. So these are the 4024 clear blue, and these are the 4024 clear gray. Hurricane props. Bag of screws. Now when I ordered my Mr. Croc, I didn't get any of this stuff. So I'm thinking they're listening to people that are going, hey, you know, give me some parts. Like Mr. Croc, he came bind and fly, but he had no extra parts. So let me go ahead and put some of the stuff down. But these screw bags, you have to have them. So extra parts, I really appreciate that. Put the manual to the side there. Let me go ahead and just bend it down a little bit here and get the box down so I can use that surface there. All right, just put the manual right there. And let's put that right there. So very nice. Thank you for bringing the parts in. Tool. There we go. We got an Allen tool. Very, very helpful. Now we have extra wires. Now these wires are going to help us with antennas and things. These are antenna tubes. Oh, free gift. All right. Look at that. We got a prop tool. All right. That's pretty nice. Little prop tool right there. And of course we got some Flywoo stickers. Thank you, Flywoo. And then we got the Goku Flywoo freaking strap, battery strap. Come on, Flywoo, you've given me way more stuff. I bought a quad freaking that didn't have half this stuff. And there we go. We've got a TPU mount. This is probably for the, if you do Crossfire. That's a Crossfire TPU. They gave me all these awesome silica gel packs. And wow, this thing is so small. I guess we got to pull out the foam so we can get it out of there. You know, every time you buy these things, you just don't really appreciate how small things are until you actually get it. Look at that. There's a little GPS right back here. No wonder why this thing flies for 20 minutes. It is tiny. There's my antenna. And let's go ahead and take it out of the box, or out of the wrapper. Go ahead and get it out of the wrapper. Now, I'm going to do a live stream on Friday, but I wanted to get the unboxing recorded so I could play it after the live stream so you get the details. But we're going to definitely talk a lot about it on Friday. So check out the No Fly Zone with Chris and Kai, and we will talk about this because Kai's got one on the way too. Hopefully his shows up Friday so we both have some hands-on knowledge. Otherwise it'll just be me, which is pretty much fine, but hopefully we both have them ready to go. But right out of the box, I love that they seal these up. It is just space age small. It is so tiny. Look at how little that is. There's the motors. Okay, these are the NEN 1404s. And you can see the KV on there. I can't even read it because it's 2750 kV. And these are the two screw mounts. And there is my antenna. I got to get that in there. Get the tail of that in there into the antenna mount because this is how I'm flying it right here. I'm flying it just like this in this configuration right here. There's my XT30 connection. I'm going to get this thing connected up to Betaflight and get it set up. There's the stack in there right there. Look at how nicely done that is. A little bit sloppy there. They give me a little extra wire right there. It's okay though. But wow, that is just space age. And there's the Caddx. Now I opted for the black camera. They have this in a white camera too, so with the TPU mount right there. But can I adjust that? No, it's actually kind of set. I'll just leave it right there. I'd like to be able to get a TPU cover on there, but I can't see it fitting right now. But very nice. And then here is now this is the power lead for the camera, the SMO camera by Insta. And this here, I believe, this is the red, black, yellow, blue. This is the flight controller right here. So this is for your add-on flight controller. So, and since we are bind and fly, we don't have to worry about that. We're going to fly right from the stack here. But inspired by Dave C. right there, even written inside. But this is version 2. So we're excited to fly version 2. There we go. We can check that out right there.